Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing this beautiful butterfly tutorial. I just feel butterflies in my stomach just seeing how beautiful these butterflies are, and I hope by the end of this tutorial you'll either understand how to make this fully or you'll be able to have this. Kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this content with other people so that they can also come and make butterflies. So the materials required for this tutorial are the colors you can see here, the seed beads size 10, and we are going to also need this printout. If you don't have it, kindly let me know so that I can share with you the PDF and you can be able to print it out and also be able to do your designs like this. The beauty of this right angle weave pattern printout is that you can be able to scribble down any idea that you have. You can be able to draw it out with different colors or even a pencil or anything that you have at your disposal before you start doing the design that you want. If you have done any design before, you know that if you can have such a concept done before or prior to you starting is something that really helps, because now you won't have to do your work or your beading and undo it. You just draft it on the piece of paper, and then once you're done, you're sure of what you're transferring onto your beads. So I'm using different colors so that you can be able to tell, and here we've started. You just use the basic right angle weave that we've been using every day. If it's your first time here, kindly check our previous tutorials where you can be able to see what we have been able to do from beginning. If you are a beginner on beading, we have well explained tutorials on how you can start beading. This one I would advise to be for someone who is already used to doing beadwork, because it's slightly more complicated. You have to understand the right angle weave much better so that you can be able to follow along. But you can just follow along, check it out, so that by the end of the tutorial you see the complexity of what we are doing, and so you see if you can be able to do it, or you can go watch our previous tutorials where you can be able to see how to do the right angle weave, learn on it, and then as you continue practicing you can get to this level now. I'm also looking forward to your feedback. I really hope to see more of you trying out such things that I do, or I hope they inspire you. On our community tab, I get to post some of the things that most of you have been able to do and share with me. So if you are able to do anything that we have done before, maybe something that inspired you from our tutorials, kindly share it with me, and so that I can share it with the rest of the guys. And also your feedback is really much appreciated, so kindly don't forget to send your feedback on what you've been watching here. So as you can see guys, bead by bead, one step at a time, we are slowly doing progress. We are slowly making progress. We have started with the top side of this butterfly, and we are right now, what I'm doing here is making the bit that will represent the head. I really hope that you like this color combination. You can also suggest what color combination that you would love to make or to have as a butterfly, and so that if we do another butterfly tutorial, you can get to suggest the colors that we are going to use. I would also love to let you guys know that I have introduced private classes that are more comprehensive, slower, and step-by-step guidance is provided. Mostly if you're a beginner and you'd love to take it slow, kindly reach out to me. The link to my contact details are down on the description below, where you can be able to reach out and we can be able to organize on your private classes. And I really believe that you can be able to do this, especially if this is something that you're interested in or you love. I'm quite sure you can be able to do it. So as you can see, we are making beautiful progress on our butterfly. Slowly but sure, our butterfly is slowly taking shape. Remember, it's going to be a three-dimensional piece, so we are going to make this as the maybe front or back side, and so we're going to have two pieces. So we're going to have this one, and then we're going to have another one that we're going to combine the two and have one solid 3D piece. A quick request: if you've not subscribed, kindly pause the video here, go to the subscribe button, please hit it, make sure you've subscribed, then come back and continue watching the video. You also don't forget to like, because that really helps our content get to more people. So as you can see, we are almost done. We are like 3/4 into our butterfly. It's taking shape. You can see this is the top side here, and we are just finishing the bottom side. I really love this color combination. And this piece, once you're done, you can use it as key holder, a necklace pendant. You can use it as an earring. The sky's the limit when it comes to the practicality of such designs. And also, if these designs you love them, please let me know in the comment section down below. That your comments and your suggestions really inspire me a lot. Your feedback really helps me out to know what content I can make next, and if this content that I'm making really does make an impact on you guys. So please let me know in the comment section down below if you like this type of content, whether what you'd love to see next, and let's have a conversation. I make it a point to reply to most of the comments that I get, so please, I'd love to see your feedback down on the comment section down below. So here, these are just the finishing bits, just finishing on this beautiful butterfly. That's the bottom side, and as you can see, we are done. The piece looks amazing. Most of the times I've been telling you guys, this camera doesn't do this justice, because if you are able to see this in person, it looks amazing. So you make a second butterfly that looks exactly like the first one that we've made, so that we can be able to join them and have one solid three-dimensional piece. So as you can see, I've been able to do my second piece of the butterfly, and now I'm going to start binding the two so that I can have one 3D piece. So now onto the binding bit. We just make sure that your butterflies are completely identical. Then you align them like this. Make sure that they are seamless. They look exactly the exact replicas of each other. And then you pick one bead from the right, and then you pass through the other butterfly like this, what I'm doing, but at the exact same point. So if you have been able to do, if you've checked our video where we did a tutorial on making a beaded ring, you will have noticed that that is the thing that we're using here, the concept are just the same, where you make two pieces and then you bind them using one bead at a time to make the seal. So that is what I'm doing here. You pick one bead, you pass it through the other side, and then you crisscross, and then you pass the fishing line on both ends through each piece, and then you add one bead, then you crisscross. It sounds maybe hard, but with practice you will be able to get it right. Really looking forward to inspiring more people to trying out beadwork. And also, some of the reason that I do this is so that people can see the time and sort of the brains that go into making something like this. So as you can see, there are some bits where I've forwarded or skipped, but it really takes some time. It really takes a lot of brain power, if I may call it that way. So if you're out there, you come across any artist, maybe should it be bead artist or any type of artist, just know that this craft requires a lot of time, a lot of patience, and what you're paying for is mostly that and not the value of per se. Like for here, it's not the value of the beads that we charge maybe when we are selling our product. It's the workmanship and the level of detail and the experience that we have put into making something like this that goes for sale. If it's the material, anyone can get the material, but getting the material to look like this, it really takes a lot of effort and time. As you can see, I'm done doing the binding and it looks amazing. I really hope that someone can be able to replicate this so that you can be able to see how marvelous and beautiful it looks. And I just hope that even if I'm going to inspire one person to try this out, that will be a plus for me, because the level of satisfaction or the joy that you get from doing such things is just amazing. If you'd love to order yours, you can reach out to me. My WhatsApp number and contact details are down on the description below, and I'm looking forward to working with you. You can also check out my social media handle on Instagram, where you can see more of what I've been doing. So thank you guys, and hope to see you on the next video.
You